Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at techtrader.com. August the 29th, and it's Tuesday. Well, it was not a turn down or a turn around Tuesday. It was an extension Tuesday, and the markets ripped. Had a huge day, one of the better ones we've seen this year. And a lot of stocks participated. And take a look at some of ours that are doing very well in here. Let's start off with AAOI, which has been a swing of ours for a while now, and was really looked pretty good. You can see that after the spike up in early August and a rising channel, that the chart is forming a large flag pattern. Now today bounced off the bottom of that pattern, and it looks to me like it's going to test and maybe take out 1650, my next target. Beyond that, it's 19. ACHR continues to look great. It continues to channel up. I continue to look like this stock wants to go higher. Resistance 7.5, target 9.5. ACMR, after popping out and pulling back for 3 days and forming a little bit of a low volume pullback, it snapped back today for $1.21 or 8%. Volume was just under 1 million. It looks like the kind of stock that can accelerate. Looking for a test of last year's August high, which comes in around 20 thereabouts. So 20 is your next target, followed by 24.5. AEHR snapped back nicely and took out declining top line, moving averages and lateral price resistance. Significant engulfing bullish day today. For that one up 388 or almost 9%. Now looking for a retest of the highs in the mid 50s. Then I'm looking for low to mid 60s, believe it or not. I think eventually this stock could be an $80, $90 stock. Stay tuned. AFRM, triple top, but a move into that level tells me that with the base here, triple bottom, the pop and this consolidation with resistance here should be good over 19.5 or so. 22.5 and 27.8 are targets. App 11, one of our tech trader swings, when it broke out here, it consolidated since the low 20s has more than doubled, jumping today about 85 cents or 41.50. It appears that the angle of ascent is going to take this one into the mid 40s or higher. ARRY with a long inverse head and shoulders and 1 year consolidation may be breaking out. Today it popped $1.44 or 6%. The targets are 27.5 and 30 on a follow through. CDLX with a monster inverse head and shoulders broke out, retested the breakout point, ran up and formed a beautiful flag. It's popping here. Now watch this one carefully because above 15, I think you're looking at 19 and 23. FNGR may be coming out with a beautiful three-wave corrective coil. The measured move in this one is a monster. About 570 from this pullback point. That is about $9.93. So looking at 7.5 and 9.75. GBTC with Bitcoin related stocks running. The stock ran 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now consolidating in a three-wave corrective pullback. You can see resistance at about 22 and then 26.7. GROV, beautiful chart, baseline, breakout, flag, and pop. I'm now looking for a test of 4.5 and maybe as high as 7 or higher than that. Keep an eye on this one. Gravity came through with declining top line today with a pop of 815 or about 12%. This stock looks like 89 to 93 ranges in next target. INOD tech trader swing popped. Had inside day today. I love the look of it. 17 and 20, 21 my targets going forward. Great looking pattern. Ionq coming out of a three-wave corrective pullback flag to the trend line, bounced from the right-handed extended V, and today popped about 8%. 13.3 million shares traded. It looks to me like it's going to be retesting 18 and then moving into the 21.2 zone. LI continues to do very well for us ever since it broke out in May. The stock's now gone from 27 to 46, pulled back, and now up again today at 339 or 8.5%. Looking for a test now of 48. MNSO, beautiful long-term pattern. Broke out, wedge, popped, long consolidation, breakout flag, and it's running now. My target is 27.8. Duo with a huge pop at 1247 or 15.5%. Now looking for a retest of the January high, about 1078. Thread up, a former tech trader swing from back in March. This stock is more than doubled. Pulled back and wedge. Today it popped out of the wedge or went up 40 cents or 11%. Resistance 4.25, target 5.5, 3/4. Tigr had a big day today with a lot of Chinese stocks. This little puppy jumped from 369 480. Next target, 5.75. And finally, Tsha, which I showed you a couple of days ago, popped up and pulled back. But boy, what a nice rising channel this is in. Today's a huge day for it, up 44% on 16 million plus. My target is 4.75 going forward. And that's a look at some of the hot stocks at thetechtrader.com. Good night, everybody.